Mayana CBM near Mwakwa Bamra Adom TV Badwam Jumade so Yada Apostle Dr. Ni Tekutegwase and in Cranshansam dear do Sonny a bedroom Cassie and some of the Obertia Womubini Yasa Buno East and Yafumantamu a bia awodwa eba ensɔhwe mo kronoba wamudi makotene waye kenedesa nsemi aba ye bekoho na afei waye kekro ye se kasa kire mu se ahoboa nasi ye twen nyame yadoma ukuada na mofra no BC no won ahyase sansem wei ensem bi ka ho na ye de bro sa Adom TV bedwam kase ubenye bia hwe live on Facebook/Adom TV extra ko go TV a channel ne ye 119 DSTV ye 280 Oko YouTube search Adom TV Tube. adomonline.com so ya chron sam ni nyina nso agu ho na afoforo bi eka ho. Midin de afia amankwa tamaklu. Afia ni de mienti seden sam ni chiremu etie. Abeto dwa se examination mu kronobo wo man Ghana mu no ewom ye nyimfiri ho anase mfiri ho. Wo muguso ebo homoden se be kofo de Nenso omo kari ya hwehwemu a waye kede abeto dwa se buno east ene afomantem eye bia eba exam sase krono bo a edimu akotene pa nti afutuo kokobo akọ ama checherefo omo ani na ho na afie de ensesa kase no etwaso
examination more practice to Ghana sosa na yeah as an institution that administer exams I was say yes sorry niema amanse nyina hu data no se na ebe ya interventions bi wo ho a ye de beba so ano eno so nkyere se ye bo region bi din bone ba ye kan okre na ebe bo ama region no education managers e wo no be sorry aye ne etne enti yamfa ne se bono east and ahafo ena more practice cases no high pa if you want na ba Ashanti region Cape Coast esu di so bibi koso boni e wo se yeso ano
Dr. Rosemond Wilson panyina wada waye ka no e Ghana hanomo wabokoko se manfo nyina enka wo hummom se de beya sa hawi obetumi ayi afiri honom na se wotro nso hwe na se mo abodin krata e wo se nukredie ene nkitisie edadie e wo sa tumi krata wodi ama wo no emu.
That all of us gathered here, teachers, parents, students, law enforcement and civil society, have the capacity to combine forces with the council so that collectively we will be able to combat this menace. Your rich experiences and the ideas you will share will enable us all to craft practical solutions to solve this problem.
Ekasa West African Examinations Council waye campaign force bibia wiebudie sa 2025 Basic Education Certificate Examination ABC da wukwada nyame yadoma ebehyasie.
No ye amansan akasa ye stakeholders akasa because we hwe waye kanko entimi nye saa ne ye nurse se da ba betumi akobe bia nti ye district directors akasa regional director akasa ne director general akasa police for kaho NIB for kaho awo for so kaho se na be ya obia be hu se de ye no ensem fatanti o se hwe na ye koye nim no na ye se na be ya nkola no ka kɔkyerɛ nso hwe independently a obia emfa apobia enkoho by Wednesday they be able to me action so here na say ya sensitization of examination candidates ya sensitization of supervisors vigilators district directors and examination officials nyina nti obia nim roller e was a play in the course of the examination. Come next Wednesday, nyame adoma ye betumi ahyase na ye bo nyame mpa ye se nsɔhwe no next Wednesday bees ne be hyase na mpa ye bo no se obia ye na kasa bia no be kono akoye de wo se oye
Yemfiri ngomasuamu na yemongura yensem foforo mu na me kasa ya nurses ne midwives wo lekma mpotemu no de enu ada no na OPD service no won mo ayi afiri mu omuhwe obia nti wona no won hododo won nra no won kwa ahuyehia mu Adom kase etwaso
nene abra Adom news nsentwofo ye bepie mu ewo lekma ayaresabia no womanfo ewa ha wo mo ne yetwetwe nkomo no kira wo mo ebedru anopatututu ebi mu kura no wo mo kofie die ntia enam strike ne so no enya ade a wo mo ehwe bi wo mo a wo mo ba ha fi nura no ana wo mo ehwe wo mo a yentimi ahwe wo mene no ene Adom news nsentwofo twetwe nkomo no ensema o mudi tu dwa no momie ntie bi na obedu o ma hwe o
Bacho Debbie. Yes, in no munio, moko strike until mom shas no mamma until me ayama.
Enti see dey na be kan wa basa na se na wo be hwe oba na wa na oba ayaresa.
Na me ba na nka me de na eba nti yes ana se agi yes an ko fi omo se nka ye ntwen bottle ofa ebi mu betimi aba so ya tena sa ebi mu ma nti se ehun kwan ya be fa so se na e be kofi a agi Monday na omo se ebetimi aba na ebe ka chen so hu ye mobo ye ni bi no ye twa ye hu ento bi anim no se ba ye ni bi se ye kita insurance anye ye ombe hwe ye ntimi nko private hospital nti ye sere so no ankasa mle mu mai
nurse ni bia hwe nurse fo na ye omo chichiri ensa woko doctor no so nche an nurse fo no mu take records na ebi e ka se obi pini ko sura ko na nurse ni no san ko check ni adade doctor na ankasa na o chichiri ye patient ni nsa
Bedin e the Prince Owusu Esiedu Adom News.
So na Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs and a Newonma Pow, Ghana Sustainable City Strategy and wo entoma. Jumedie kese pa womode eba beboa wo ye no obi eba kro kese mu ni ade no omo ba besiesie mu atretre ne ema mu ahwe ne ema betumi aboa ama kro kese mu nso no obi ahu behenhan no na fe nkuma no nso kwan bia obi anso benya ne de ebetre won ahye mu no won mo beye ora Ahmed Ibrahim ena ye wosoafo nsemo de tudwa eni
nya se be nshisha said ye pese daachi yenya yenku kese no yenya ni sa na enkoye kura nipa na ewo mu no adwuma omoye baby aka fa baby a hospital social amenities ni infrastructure facilities ni na yetimi e plan ni nyina na bibia ekopepepe uhwe most of our urban cities are ebi one ways ebi a single road but dia nkata mu ana omo plan omo dwen se nipa na eba betena kromo no ebe do so achen send ye nya ne ya ka bibisa emma ko mbe ja spaces so and ebe planning baby a factories be adwuma baby a green belt ni other place said ebe control inframa omohome all those things were not factored into play na eno an say otu ana we abesi dan we abesi we are planning for the future na said the okwa brichira wo hono no Ghana nso yanya ne sa enta na ewo 2010 so offer population housing census now rural areas no edo so chen urban areas but as at now per the 2020 population census urban areas no chen rural areas now by 2030 one year ekwa 60.7% and betna ko kese so na emo 39.3 eti kronki to aso ndi wo hwe we nyina yansha se ni urban planners amfa bibi amfa wa ye frɛ bibi urban poverty enne kura no ahyase ACC sɛ wokɔ baabi a slon so ɛwɔ Ghana ha na ɛwɔ kro a ye wo so na me mpɛsɛ mebodi wotum sɛ ebi hu kyerɛ mu one oniafo a ɔkɔ akɔdua banche na wakoto akɔdi ba bra na ɔmote hɔ no na ɔkɔ nsu a ɔtumi yi nam ɔkɔ efu na ɔkɔ but ne nyina ebi ni hɔ if you go to the ukwa bridge ebi wɔ hɔ ɛno ɛna wanhwe ya yɛn mpɛsɛ ne AC wɔ hɔ no bi ebesi a
Kokuma ye womra shebedwa fie mu sa ben ye di Ghana fo ehwemo bra wo be hye bo kire oyiyi to afiri ho ya wasafa kwati kwan so e de to foforo abehye mu no wadi Ghana fo hwemo
we enye nada o be fi ha o de budget be fi ha onu ankasa na o say oh he will not introduce new tax no oyi levy if you no yi betting tax na me bisa bet unjabet ujatas he levy one Chinese can come we are to ya the petrol the ebe ko bia.
Deputy Ranking Member on Energy Committee Collins Adomako Mensa ebisa de ntia from kese na ewia won ho e de saa etuo yi abeto fa won so
dollar no e be ye weekend no o export processor you be cotton no abroach ya de na kese wonya free no esan say dollar na ye weekend no the process from your export never perform. So their projected revenue from export abafom omo kan no crunch here say the be ya say be Ghana fo nyina ebetimi hu the omo ye na e be beti omaso but to say because it can be wo answer because anything e we dey no crunch or can the same thing chere abroad be ready budget.
Dr. Jofrikini eye Nkwanta South emrahye bedwani wɔkyerɛ mu a ensɛm a Adom kuma no ekeka fa saa levy no ho no eni nyina so bia
ndua na wie ya so follow proceedings enua afejo market kasa ya kopim say afi camera krampo a cameraman kram yo modwuma krampo a friend say chamber mo kra was starting exercise no just say papa no I won mu nyina asa the media ni omoye encourage any value but the ehun here say Ghana for nkasa ebe judge the economy ebe judge say niama koyi ananiama enkoyi
nti wasansem weye mo nso kane mampani abede akire Dr. Mahmoud Baumia say ne Ghana for munyina yie ne to no de afi na tele no eba
NDC for omutwa ntro bebre every day opie hu ntro omutwa enra na jo sembo nyina mo omudi dumso levy aba dumso levy so first no mo se e-levy na yedi aba omobeyi e-levy no omobeyi ene omudi dumso levy aba. It is 8 times the e-levy. Omo ansusu anye o. And then uto 1 liter of petrol 1 cedi no obetua. Uto 1,000 cedis of petrol obetua 83 cedis. 83 cedis as tax. E-levy no usende obi 1,000 momo obetua 10 cedis. Omu ene betua 4,000 obetua 83 cedis for fuel. We nimu nyina more beba. By the time yebedu 2028 no Ghana nyina be hu se omutwa ntro bebre mimi gidi se omubeka nkire yen se yensamba biom embafa aban no ensiesie Ghana.
En kamantami mo posifo achre Mavis nkroma wanya mfie aduasa ni nyina ne se won susu se wahwiade bi agu ne mpanada da bi a wanya mfie aduonu enkona won susu se eye acid kase no etwaso.
On the night of the attack, which is the 28th of May 2025, Mavis appeared unannounced at the victim's residence at about 1 a.m. Now, the victim, Gideon Frimpong, who is 29 years old and a taxi driver, engaged her in a brief conversation during which Mavis requested that victim drives her home, which Gideon obliged to. On reaching a section of the road, Gideon requested Mavis to alight since the cab that he uses couldn't go ahead because the road is rough and is bumpy. Having said that, during the stop at Ofanko, which is around 7 days on that stretch, Mavis questioned him about their relationship. After the third confirmation from the victim, which is Gideon, that yes, I don't want to have anything to do with you, our relationship is over, Mavis then poured the substance suspected to be acid on him. Meanwhile, suspect Mavis Nkrumah, the 30-year-old, who fled the scene after the incident, attempted to bolt into a neighboring country, was arrested yesterday, the 3rd of June 2025, by the police and is currently in custody.
Yenye lusona Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na yediesie yeda semre ne adaje a wode ma ye twen ye ne mfa de bon krata no ene online de entwaso yeba